Welcome to this week's edition of Crypto Buzz by Kalkine TV. I'm Sage. And Bitcoin trades 7 days a week. No weekends off for Bitcoin if it's expecting to be adopted by 8 billion people of the world. Hopefully, for the crypto enthusiasts anyway. The regulators are discussing the crypto sector, this time with the Bank of Russia agreeing to legalise cross-border payments using crypto. And this could be in line with some BRICS trading bloc countries' intentions. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa are countries who would prefer to reduce their use of the US dollar, known as BRICS. The same goes for the Middle East, who could be looking to settle payment in digital currencies with time. Oman Investment Authority and Mubadala Investments of Abu Dhabi both invested recently $350 million combined into Crusoe Energy, a Bitcoin mining company using wasted natural gas to power crypto mining. As the Russia-Ukraine war continues, Ukraine's two largest tech retailers, Techno Ishak and Stylus, last month announced they would also accept Bitcoin payments. So, coming over to the US now, Congressman Brad Sherman is of the opinion that crypto undermines the value of the US dollar. Could be seeing where he's getting his opinions from. He's a firm critic of digital assets. He asserts that crypto could threaten America's financial system and lose the supremacy of the US dollar. However, the congressman who represents California's San Fernando Valley was quoted saying that he doesn't believe the US authorities could ban or totally prohibit the use of crypto in the near term, as there's too much money and power behind it. In South America, we see the other side of the coin though, where cryptocurrency is offering some reprieve from the impacts of hyperinflation on their currency. Binance, the global leader in trading volume for crypto exchanges, has recently hired former Brazilian central bank president and economy minister Henrique Meirelles as the member of its advisory board. More details about this new initiative from Binance and their global advisory board will be released soon. It was reported by CoinDesk. Closer to home, Australian Federal Police have established a specific unit to tackle money laundering through cryptocurrency. Although the AFP Commissioner Reece Kershaw confirmed crypto was used much less than other means of money laundering, the AFP has been seizing proceeds of crime exceeding their targets, with close to $600 million confiscated. The unit focusing on crypto will help to provide more information on organised crime groups operating in Australia. The price of Bitcoin has been range-bound. Today it is at $19,777, being down about 0.7% in the last 24 hours. This data was current during the Asian mid-session. And over the last 30 days, it's down about 13.9%. And over the last year, it's down about 61.7%, according to CoinGecko. So hopefully you're finding the episode informative so far. We're about to take a short break. Stay with us as more coming up on the all attention grabbing Ethereum Merge after the break. Welcome back after the break. Thanks for joining us. A lot of the crypto industry are anticipating what might happen to the price of Ethereum, or Ether, its token, once the merge occurs. The merge is occurring close to midday UTC time, 6 September, with the Bellatrix hard fork, and is probably one of the most talked about events in crypto history, seeing the Ethereum blockchain move from the proof of work mining consensus to the less energy intensive proof of stake. The second part of the merge, the Paris activation, will occur about 10 days later. The second last test occurred on the 31st of August by the core developers, and they're confident with the results so far. There's been a lot of hype around the merge, and sadly many scammers are also out there trying to exploit money out of people too, so please stay vigilant and do your research before you start transferring your digital assets to deals that sound too good to be true or unclear as to their purpose. So the price of ETH is $1,637 or thereabouts, being up about 4% in the last 24 hours. Over the last 30 days, it's down 3.3%, and over the last year, it's down about 58.5%, data according to CoinGecko. So before the merge, the London hard fork, which occurred in 2021, was also highly publicised. It caused the creation of EIP-1559 that in turn saved users of Ethereum blockchain about $844 million in transaction fees through instating base fee refunds. Ethereum is still the most expensive blockchain to transact on, processing close to $40 million in daily fees, according to Galaxy Digital's report. This is 40 times more expensive than transacting on Bitcoin. So, although EIP 1550 increased the capacity, allowing more transactions to be processed per block, the costs have continued to increase due to higher demand of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum developers are still working on sharding, which will more broadly tackle the issue of scalability or the high transaction fees for using Ethereum. Although Ethereum burns miners' fees, the increased usage from NFTs and DeFi apps is still causing the high fees. Now, another fork of the Ethereum blockchain worth mentioning is Ethereum Classic. It was created in 2016 after the DAO sadly was hacked, and Ethereum developers decided to restore the stolen user funds from the decentralized application known as the DAO. And the Ethereum Classic is what's eventuated. It's interoperable with Ethereum, but it won't be changing its consensus to proof of stake and will remain proof of work. All-time high hash rates have been recorded from two major miners this week, and the price of ETC, or Ethereum Classic, has been surging. ETC's price is close to $39.82, being up about 22.8% over the last 30 days. It's up about 4.5%, and over the last year, it's down 45.8%. So, one to watch as we near the merge, according to CoinGecko. So just still on this note about the change in mining for Ethereum and what's going to happen there. Ant Pool, the third largest Bitcoin mining pool, has announced a $10 million investment into the Ethereum Classic ecosystem. So this investment in the Ethereum Classic ecosystem could indicate that some of the Ethereum miners may continue to direct their hash power to the proof-of-work consensus blockchains, such as Ethereum Classic. So due to the smaller market cap of Ethereum Classic, it's not financially viable for all the Ethereum mining operations to move over to Ethereum Classic. But for some perspective, from data obtained from the 28th of July 2022, Ethereum daily hash rate was 38 times higher than Ethereum Classic's. So there's still a lot more activity going on the main Ethereum blockchain. Ant Pool is also the 13th largest Ethereum mining pool by hash rate. And Ethermine is worth mentioning. This is the largest Ethereum mining pool by hash rate. So they are intending to become a staking pool post the merge. So what this could mean is that major changes to the Ethermine, where their mining hash rate will need to be transferred to other mining pools such as Ant Pool, or sell off their proof of work Ethereum mining machines post merge. So hopefully that's been food for thought for you to wrap your head around what's going on with the change in mining protocol for Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap. But if you have any comments, please let us know. What are your thoughts moving forward? How do you think the price is going to be affected? Please comment below. We'd love to hear from you. But that's all for today's edition of Crypto Buzz. Just to iterate, anything shared in this report is for informational purposes only and not financial advice in any way. It's important for you to do your own homework before attempting to invest in digital asset market. Kalkine Media has launched a new EdTech suite of courses, I'll just finish off with, including one in crypto and blockchain. So Kel EdTech Plus is available from Kalkine's website. Please have a look and keep watching for more live expert talks and market insights. Till the next episode, may the hodling continue.